Tuscan Voyage. Chapter 8. The Rewards of Living in Tuscany, the Beauty of Everyday Life. In the tapestry of life, it is often the seemingly mundane moments that paint the most vivid hues. Living in Tuscany, we discovered the extraordinary beauty hidden in the everyday. It was in the morning mist rising from the vineyards, the scent of fresh bread wafting from local bakeries, and the warm glow of the setting sun casting long shadows across the cobblestone streets. Morning rituals. Each day began with a symphony of sounds, the chirping of birds, the clatter of coffee cups, and the distant ringing of church bells. As the sun peeked over the horizon, casting a golden light upon the Tuscan hills, we would sip our espresso in the piazzas, watching the world come to life. The aroma of freshly baked pastries filled the air, inviting us to indulge in the simple pleasures of life. Strolls through nature. Tuscany is a region blessed with natural beauty. We spent countless hours exploring its hidden gems, from the cypress-lined roads that meandered through vineyards to the olive groves that cascaded down the hillsides. It was in these moments of solitude, surrounded by the beauty of nature, that we felt a profound sense of peace and tranquility. The rhythm of life. Life in Tuscany has a distinct rhythm, one that is dictated by the seasons and the agricultural calendar. We learned to appreciate the slow pace of life, savoring each moment and finding joy in the simple things. Whether it was helping with the olive harvest or attending local festivals, we embraced the traditions and customs that make Tuscany so unique. The warmth of community. The Tuscan people are renowned for their warmth and hospitality. We were welcomed into the community with open arms, and we quickly formed deep connections with our neighbors. It was in sharing meals, laughter, and stories that we truly felt a sense of belonging. Celebrating life's milestones. In Tuscany, life's milestones are celebrated with great joy and enthusiasm. We attended weddings, christenings, and birthdays where the entire community came together to share in the festivities. These occasions were a testament to the strong bonds that unite Tuscans and their love for life. The beauty of everyday rituals. It was in the everyday rituals that we found true beauty. Whether it was cooking a meal with fresh, local ingredients, tending to our garden, or simply taking a leisurely walk through the countryside, we discovered that happiness lies in the simple pleasures of life. Chapter 8. The Rewards of Living in Tuscany, the Abundance of Nature. From the rolling hills of the Tuscan countryside to the rugged peaks of the Apennines, Tuscany is a region blessed with an abundance of natural beauty. Whether you prefer to hike through forests, stroll along beaches, or simply relax in a peaceful garden, Tuscany has something to offer everyone. One of the most striking things about Tuscany is the diversity of its landscapes. Within a relatively small area, you can find everything from fertile plains to rugged mountains, from lush forests to sparkling lakes. This diversity means that there is always something new to explore, and you are never far from a breathtaking view. The Tuscan countryside is a haven for hikers and nature lovers. There are countless trails to choose from, ranging from easy walks suitable for families with young children to challenging hikes that will test the limits of even the most experienced hikers. And no matter which trail you choose, you are sure to be rewarded with stunning scenery. The Tuscan coast is also worth exploring. With its long sandy beaches, dramatic cliffs, and hidden coves, the Tuscan coast offers something for everyone. You can swim, sunbathe, sail, or simply relax and enjoy the sound of the waves crashing against the shore. And if you are looking for a more peaceful experience, Tuscany has many beautiful gardens to choose from. These gardens range from formal gardens with manicured lawns and colorful flower beds to informal gardens with winding paths and hidden nooks. No matter what your preference, you are sure to find a garden in Tuscany that will capture your heart. Living in Tuscany means being surrounded by nature at its finest. The region's abundance of natural beauty is a constant source of inspiration and rejuvenation. Whether you are taking a hike in the hills, strolling along the coast, or simply relaxing in your garden, you will find that Tuscany's natural beauty has a profound impact on your well-being. Chapter 8: The Rewards of Living in Tuscany, the Richness of History and Culture. Tuscany is a region steeped in history and culture, boasting a wealth of artistic, architectural, and literary treasures. From the ancient ruins of Etruscan and Roman settlements to the magnificent Renaissance cities of Florence and Siena, Tuscany is a living testament to the enduring legacy of human creativity and ingenuity. Exploring Tuscany's artistic heritage. In Florence, visitors can marvel at Michelangelo's David, Botticelli's Birth of Venus, and Leonardo da Vinci's Annunciation. Siena is home to Duccio's Maesta, a stunning altarpiece that is considered one of the masterpieces of Italian Gothic painting. And in Pisa, the iconic Leaning Tower stands as a testament to the architectural prowess of the Middle Ages. Walking in the footsteps of history, visitors can explore the ruins of ancient Roman cities such as Volterra and Fiesole, or walk in the footsteps of medieval pilgrims along the Via Francigena, a historic pilgrimage route that winds its way through the region. A literary legacy. Dante Alighieri, the father of the Italian language, was born in Florence, and his Divine Comedy is considered one of the greatest works of literature ever written. Francesco Petrarca, the founder of Renaissance humanism, also hailed from Tuscany, as did Niccolò Machiavelli, whose political treatise The Prince is still studied today. Living in the heart of history. For those who choose to live in Tuscany, the region's rich history and culture are an integral part of everyday life. Residents can enjoy easy access to world-class museums, galleries, and historical sites. They can also participate in cultural events such as festivals, concerts, and exhibitions, which are held throughout the year. Living in Tuscany means being surrounded by beauty and inspiration. The region's rich history and culture provide a constant source of wonder and fascination, enriching the lives of those who call it home. Chapter 8: The Rewards of Living in Tuscany, the Warmth of the People. From the moment we arrived in Tuscany, we were struck by the warmth and hospitality of the people. Unlike some places where tourists are treated as outsiders, in Tuscany, we felt welcomed with open arms. Whether we were shopping at the local market, dining at a trattoria, or simply strolling through the streets, we were greeted with smiles and friendly greetings. The people of Tuscany are genuinely kind and helpful, always willing to go the extra mile to make our lives easier. One of our favorite experiences was attending a local festival. This video was created from an ebook on sale at www.pagebook24.com using a self-developed program by Pasquale DeMarco. Download the ebook now.